Why does aluminum look perfect at delivery but fail after 1 year outdoors? Fading, peeling, corrosion, these problems are usually not about the aluminum itself. The real difference comes from surface treatment, especially powder coating. Step 1. Pre-treatment. It removes impurities and ensures strong coating adhesion. Step 2. Electrostatic powder coating. The powder is evenly applied across the surface. Step 3. High-temperature curing. This forms a solid, durable protective layer. Compared to traditional painting, powder coating offers longer outdoor lifespan, better corrosion resistance, and more stable color finish. That's why it's widely used in aluminum windows and doors, outdoor structures, and architectural projects. We supply powder-coated aluminum profiles for global projects with stable quality and export experience. If you're sourcing aluminum for outdoor use, feel free to contact us for specs, samples, or quotation.